had oceans, before it had a moon. Our solar system was a violent construction zone. Dust, gas, and rock collided in endless chaos. From that chaos, a planet began to take shape. But this was no blue world. Earth was a molten sphere of fire, constantly struck by wandering debris. Then came the turning point. A protoplanet named Vega collided with Earth. The impact reshaped our world, sending molten rock into orbit. In the ages that followed, Earth began to cool. Thick clouds gathered overhead. Rain fell for thousands of years, slowly calming the planet's fiery surface. As the rains continued, water began to collect. The first oceans spread across the surface. From a world of fire, a blue planet was born.